Hello everyone, welcome to IT World, my YouTube channel. Today let's see how to deactivate your Facebook account so that we should sign into your Facebook account. Once you signed into your account, you can see icon like 3 lines at bottom right corner of the page. Okay, just click on it and wait a bit. It redirects you to this page. Now, what you have to do is simply scroll down to below. You will find delete your account and information and click on it. Once you clicked, this page gonna be opened. Your purpose is to deactivate your account, right? So that tick near the deactivate account. Once you're done, your account gonna be deactivated to the next 30 days. Because deactivating your account is temporary. Your account will be disabled and your name and photos will be removed from most things you shared. But you'll be able to continue using Messenger. Okay, just tap on continue to account deactivation and now tick near any reason why you really want to deactivate your account. Instead, you can write down any reason on the given box. Okay guys, once you're done, click on continue. It redirects you to this page. Now simply scroll down to below. You see an option called reactivating account. If you selected 7 days, your account will open automatically within 7 days after you deactivated. If you selected 5 days, your account will be reactivated within 5 days. I select here don't reactivate automatically and I click on continue. Then you're gonna be moved to a new page. Deactivated the account, but if you want to connect with people thereafter also, you can tick on keep using Messenger. And even after you deactivated your account, you will receive notifications, invitations, updates from your friends. But once you opt out, you will not receive these invitations. And you can reactivate your account at any time by logging with your email address and password. Okay guys, now we have to move on to last steps of the deactivation. Before that, clarify you have done all the steps correctly or not. Once you checked and got you have done everything is okay, now click on deactivate my account. Congratulations guys, you almost done. Your account successfully deactivated. Here look, it says account deactivation successful. If you really want to reactivate your Facebook account, what you have to do is log in again entering your email address and password. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on the bell.